Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what's on my phone. So, sorry if hindi ako nakakapag-vlog and upload ng video here sa YouTube channel ko. But now, ang dami ko ng plans for my YouTube channel and hopefully, magawa ko siya and masunod ko yung plan na yon and maging consistent sa YouTube channel ko. So, papakita ko nga sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung laman ng cellphone ko. So, my phone is iPhone XS Max. So, I'm going to record it muna and then I'm going to show it here sa gilid. So, my lock screen is Jung Hae-in. So, napanood ko yung K-drama niya na Love Next Door and then after that, nanood ako ng Go Ahead, Go Go Squid, Judge from Hell, and then currently I'm watching Family by Choice. And I'm still waiting for the last update before I watch episodes, yung current episodes. Alam ko meron ng episode 12, 13 and 14 or no, 13 and 14 ata yung last. But nakalimutan ko na kasi last week pa yung huling nood ko. So yun nga, ito yung lock screen ko. And then I have here yung battery ng phone since hindi ako walang battery percentage sa taas. And then this one, itong may arrow dito na tabi niya is fitness app siya. So, kinakount niya yung calories na nababurn mo per day. So, madalas kasi naglalakad ako kapag napasok. So, tinitingnan ko lang if nabubuo ko ba yung circle or not. Then, dito naman is yung isang circle is calendar siya. So, it's a reminder if may event ngayon or wala. So, as of the moment, for today, walang event. So, today nga pala is Monday, November 18. So, actually, I have to review for our last exam tomorrow since hindi siya natuloy last week. I don't know why, pero meron pa kaming exam, midterms exam, bukas, one subject na lang naman. So, ito naman yung first window. What you call this, I don't know. Pero ito yung first light sa home screen ko. Actually, meron dito yung mga widgets. So, here's the yung photos, and then, ito yung screen time, I guess. Pero hindi ko talaga siya usually tinitignan kasi wala naman ako sa screen time ko. So, dito na tayo. So, I have here batteries, widgets, para alam ko kung ilang percent na lang yung phone ko. So, the reason why meron dito para makita ko siya sa lock screen. So, kapag naka-open naman yung phone ko, para makita ko yung battery percentage ng phone ko, dito sa home screen ko, I have the battery widget. And then, kaya yan yung widget ko para kapag naka-airpods ako, naka-wireless earphones ako, kita ko rin kung ilang percent na lang yung battery niya. Pero usually, hindi naman nalalobat yun kapag nasa labas ako kasi I charge it. Oh my God, yung baby hair ko naglalabasan. But yeah, let's continue. I have here the FaceTime, contacts, camera, photos, calendar, clock, notes, reminders, setting, maps, weather, files, mail, and then the books. Usually, ito yung madalas kong ginagamit kapag I'm studying. Siyempre, I need the camera with disregard yung FaceTime and contacts sa studying. But camera, usually kapag magpipicture ako ng PowerPoints or something important like yung mga models namin sa lab. Since I'm a pre-med student, I'm a RadTech student, nagpipicture ako ng mga bones, and yeah, madami pang iba. Then photos, syempre, kailangan ko ng photos kapag meron akong camera para makita ko. I'm going to show you some of my, yung mga pinicture ko dun sa, eto, yung mga bones. Yan. Yan yung mga bones na tinake ko during our lab class kasi we need to memorize their landmarks for our moving exam. And then the calendar to see and to check if meron ba akong scheduled online class. Usually, our online class is every Thursday and Saturday. Sometimes, may face-to-face kami ng Saturday and minsan naman online lang kami ng Saturday. Kaya I check my calendar if online class ba kami or wala, and yeah. So clock, I use clock to set an alarm para magising ako. And kung makikita niyo tong alarm ko, wait, tingnan niyo yung mga gaps nila. 10 minutes lang in between kasi kapag hindi ko siya sinet, Diyos ko po, hindi ako magigising. And kaya may 12 a.m. dito kapag exam. Nagigising ako ng 12 a.m. or minsan 1 a.m. para mag-review. And kapag may mga quizzes, kasi hindi siya kaya ng madali ang review, lalo na sa ANAFI kasi situational and applications yung mga questions. So, hindi mo siya masasagot. If you're like me, kasi I'm not, di ako magaling sa mga, quizzes na application, tapos i-review ko lang ng clutch, hindi pwede. So, kailangan i-review ko siya ng ilang hours before the exam, not before matulog, kasi makakalimutan ko siya pagising ko. So, next is the notes. Sometimes I scan documents with my notes, and then minsan naman if hindi ko dala yung tablet ko and my book, sa notes ako take down ng notes ng mga lessons kasi mas madali for me to type than to write. So, mayroon pa rin naman akong yellow paper and ginagamit ko lang siya usually kapag may activity. Then, reminders. I have reminders. Dito nakalagay yung mga dapat kong gawin or dapat kong matapos. Actually, tapos na ako dito sa eval forms. Sorry for the names. Oh my God. Then, tong cheat card. I call it cheat card kasi parang siyang cheat card. Pero, hindi talaga siya cheat card. Formulas lang yung mga nakalagay doon. I'm done na rin here, 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 and here. Actually, tapos ko na siya. Hindi ko lang siya na-check. Sorry for the names of the teachers. Iano ko na lang. Tatakpan ko na lang. Baka mapagalitan ako. Then, next is the settings. I have the settings kasi minsan, ang lakas ng trip ko sa biyahe, magpapalit ako ng dark mode and then light mode, kahit meron naman siya sa control center. And then the maps. Maps is super essential for me. Kasi, nung mga first week, or first month of school, nagmamap ako para malaman ko if malapit na pa ako or malayo pa ako. And then, nag-check din ako sa map ng ibang ways para kung saan ako pwedeng sumakay. Kasi minsan, wala ang cab papunta dun sa destination ko. And then, meron jeep, which is the other way naman siya dadaan. Then, weather. Weather is essential for me then kasi nag-check ako if uulan ba or hindi. Since I'm wearing white uniform, kailangan ready ako. So, I need to bring umbrella. Although, lagi naman ako may umbrella sa bag. And nire-ready ko lang talaga yung sarili ko if uulan or hindi. Para alam ko if mahihirapan ba akong sumakay or hindi. Ganon. And then the files. I have a lot of files since madaming PowerPoints and then PDF file ng book ko. Although meron akong mismong physical book. Then the meals, usually kasi ang daming seminars na ina-attendan namin and I need to check my mail para maging updated if meron na ba. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan ko. Then the books. Yung mga books ko, PDF books ko, sa books ko siya ina-open para mas organized and I can bookmark and edit ng mas madali kesa sa files kasi minsan nag-out siya. So, I use the books app. Then, here's the entertainment. I have 2 passwords up kasi gawa ng bagong Apple ID but I'm still using my old Apple ID. So, here's the podcast, help, music, app store, stocks, find my iPhone, home, iTunes Store, Google Maps, Fitness Flow, HiWatch, passwords, authenticator, and passwords again. So, ito yung mga hindi ko madalas ginagamit. So, nandito silang lahat. I prefer kasi yung iPhone Maps than the Google Maps. Pero, if I need to check the mismong location kung saan ako dadaan, sa Google Maps ako nag-open. And then the Flow app, it's a period tracker siya. So, I use it and it's very useful for me kasi pre-med student na ako and I wear white uniform. So, para aware ako if maglalagay na pa ako ng pads. It's very essential for the girls. If maglalagay na ako for that day kasi baka mamaya wala pa tapos biglang pag nandun ako sa school dun magkaroon, diba? So, it's super convenient for me na meron akong app. Then the utilities. So, here's the voice memos, compass, measure, magnifier, calculator, wallet, Apple TV, Apple Translate, and Watch. So, I don't usually use these apps. Ang ginagamit ko lang dito is yung calculator. And then, here's the next slide. So, I have here the photos again. Kasi gusto ko lang makita yung mga magme-memories. So, as of the moment, yung portraits ang memories. So, it was our field trip nung senior high school ako, grade 12. And she's a grade 11. So, she's a junior nung senior high ako. So, close kami because of journalism. I was the club president and she's the category editor dun sa isang category ko. My secondary category. Then, I have here the X. So, this one is my social media window, keme-keme. So, kaya nakalabas tong X, FB, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, Spotify, Threads, YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, View, and Prime Video kasi ito yung madalas na ginagamit ko. And then, dito pala sa baba, I forgot to show you yung phone, yung Safari, Messages, and Messenger. So, yung Messenger, nandito siya kasi siya yung pinaka lagi kong ino-open. So, kung makikita niyo yung screen time ko, TikTok and Messenger, yung madalas kong ino-open talaga. So kahit nasan ako, nandun yung Messenger, kaya siya nandyan. So, hindi ko na-open yung X, FB, TikTok, Instagram, kasi you can check it naman. And you know naman kung anong laman niya. So, here na tayo sa finance. So, I have Grab, GCash, Money Plus, Mac Delivery, Watsons, McDonald's, Tito, Shopee, Maya, Shopback, Joyride, Smack, Shein, and eGov. So, nilagay ko lang yung eGov sa finance. Kasi, wala, nasanay ako nandyan siya. So, yung Money Plus is, dyan ko nire-record yung budget, dyan ako budget, dyan ko tinatrack yung allowance ko, and yung mga money na lumalabas at pumapasok sa akin para hindi ako confused kung saan napupunta yung pera ko. And I use GCash and Maya. So, if yung pera ko nasa Maya, it's more on savings than sa GCash. Sa GCash, it's more convenient to send because there's a lot of users. Next is the games. The Plant vs. Zombies, Solitaire, Wattpad, Sudoku, two-player games, NGL, Black Blast, and Discord. So, I put Discord here kasi hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. And these apps, ginagamit ko lang siya kapag bored ako, kapag nasa biyahe, traffic, ganyan. Since it's all offline naman. Pero hindi ako madalas naglalaro since madalas ako sa TikTok talaga and kung hindi TikTok, nagre-review ako, ganon. Next is my education. So, I have here Google and Chrome. So, parang present sila, di ba? Pero, I use both of them. Tapos, I have Google Docs, Google Drive, Photomat na hindi ko naman nagagamit, Microsoft Word, Excel, Teams, Zoom, tapos itong Cross Anatomy, AnyTask, Bible, Canvas Student, YT Studio, Notion, Quizlet, Viber, and ChatGPT. So, I search sa ChatGPT if wala akong makita sa Google na sagot. Kasi sometimes, reliable naman yung sagot sa ChatGPT, but I still search it sa Google, then biglang may lalabas na. Tapos, we use MS Teams for online classes. And then I have Excel, Word, and Docs for some online activities. Then Zoom, ginagamit namin siya for seminars. Cross Anatomy, I use this to review the skeletal system for our moving exam. AnyDesk, if I need to link my laptop to my phone. And then Bible for some verses. Canvas Student, we use it to submit asynchronous tasks kapag online class kami. And then, YT Studio, nilagay ko lang siya dito, although hindi ko naman siya ginagamit talaga. Then, Notion, hindi ko siya nagagamit for productivity kasi hindi ko na rin siya na-edit. Quizlet, sometimes I use this to review, but it's really not helpful kasi sa Anafi, di siya more on memorization. So, more on application siya, kaya hindi ko siya nagagamit. And then, Viber is here kasi I used this before sa part-time work ko nung bakasyon, but it's still here kasi baka biglang gamitin ko siya ulit. And then, explain ko na yung ChatGPT sa inyo. The last here is the Pinterest, PixArt, CapCut, Canva, Dazcam, and Scroll ata to. And yeah, so self-explanatory itong mga apps na to. I use this to edit. Usually, kapag nag-vlog ako or some films sa school na need namin i-submit. So, ako talaga yung mga nag-edit. So, yeah. Wait, I'll end muna the record. So this is my phone case, guys, and I have a phone charm. So actually, my phone is color gold, and gumamit ako ng clear cases talaga, and ngayon, nag-white case din ako after the clear cases and silicone cases. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-bet kong case right now as of the moment kasi it's color green. It's color green talaga. And then, if you mix it with gold, tingnan nyo, parang nagiging light blue siya, diba? So, ginamit ko siya. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng phone charm. So, hindi pa ako nagpapalit ulit ng phone case, but I have a lot of phone case talaga, like, mga nasa, na siya, 10 or 11 na siya. And, ito yung pinakamatagal ko sigurong ginamit. Kasi, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, parang 4 days ko na siyang gamit, guys. And usually, everyday ako nagpapalit ng phone case. So, I'm going to stay muna with this phone case. It's so nice. It's so maganda. And it matches the color I want. Kaya, ginamit ko siya. So, yun lang, guys. I'm going to make bawi na sa pag-upload ng videos. I'm going to upload a lot of contents. I have plan na nga, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, I have plan na for my YouTube channel. That's why I'm going to upload na consistently. So, see you again to my next vlog. Bye-bye!